Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dreamy magical skies in Photoshop. Start by opening your base landscape or portrait image. Go to the sky replacement tool under the edit menu and import a soft colorful sky photo. Adjust the brightness and temperature to match your main image lighting. Add a new grading layer with pastel tones, pink, peach and land over work beautifully. Set the gradient layer to soft light or overlay blending modes. Use soft rounded brush with low opacity to manually paint extra glow near the clouds. Add new layers and softly paints around the sun for golden radiance effect. Import light flares and bokeh texture. Set their blend mode to screen. Slightly blur to glow using Gaussian blur for smooth transitions. Enhance colors with color balance.